Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will see that I am touring one of my favorite stores. Look at these vibrant, beautiful spring colors, guys. Look, I just love this store. This is one of many. So you notice I haven't gave the name of the store. I want you guys to guess what one of my favorite stores that I am touring on today. And if you want to know what I am looking for in this store, guys, just keep on watching, guys. Hello and welcome to Beautiful Creations. Okay, guys, if you guess the at-home store, you are correct. Yes, I am at the at-home store, just walking around this big, beautiful store in the downtown area of Charlotte. Yes, they have some very beautiful items in here. If you are that last minute decorator for Easter or any season, hey, here is your go-to spot. They have plenty of Easter left if you want to decorate the inside of your home or the outside. And also, if you want to make your kids, grandkids, niece or nephew Easter basket, hey, they have items still here under $5 that you can make their baskets with. Guys, they are beautiful. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you will know when I am uploading new content, guys. Yes. And also, guys, just remember the Easter holiday is right around the corner. Please go in and get some of this beautiful items. I'm not going to linger on. Let's get into this video. And remember, be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Happy Easter Day. Bye-bye, guys.